So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects and all the details of Canadex tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurafe. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Canadex and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is dexamethasone. It is a 0.5 mg tablet and its manufacturer is ISIS Pharmaceuticals. Here dexamethasone is a steroidal drug which belongs to the corticosteroid class. It is used to treat inflammation, it relieves inflammation, and it is also used in the treatment of arthritis and also cancer and also disorders of skin, kidney, blood, and thyroid, eye. So here dexamethasone is used to treat all the disorders of these organs. It is also used to treat allergies and also asthma. So if you see here, it's a very good and effective medicine, and it is widely used in many treatments. So now let's discuss its common side effects. It can cause fluid retention, especially swelling in the hand and ankles. It can also increase appetite. It can also change the mood. It can also cause skin rashes, bruising, and discoloration of the skin. It can also cause acne, increase the sweating, and also increase the hair growth. It can also cause headache, which is the pain in head, dizziness, nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting. It can also cause vomiting, upset in stomach. It can also change your menstrual periods in female. It can also cause insomnia, which is the loss of sleep. It can also cause restlessness and depression. Okay, so now let's discuss its dangerous side effects. Usually dangerous side effects are caused when it is used for a long period of time, or it is misused, overdose, or it is used without healthcare professional recommendation. Okay, so do not self medicate yourself. So now let's discuss its dangerous side effects. Like all other steroidal drugs, it can cause tolerance. It means that if you are using here as it as zero point 0.5 mg, next time you will take 1 mg, then you will take 2 mg, 3 mg, 4 mg. You have to take a high dose to have that same effect. The same effect you are getting zero point 0.5 in zero point 0.5 mg. Now you have to take in 1 mg. Then you have to take the same effect. You have to eat 2 mg. Okay, so the dose increases to get the effect. So it is a very dangerous effect. It can also cause unusual tiredness, dizziness, which is also dangerous. It can cause Cushing syndrome. Like all other steroidal drugs, especially corticosteroid class of drugs, they can cause Cushing syndrome. Can also change your body fat. It can also cause easy bruising, thinning of your skin. It can thin your skin. If you use too much, it can also cause blood in urine and also unusual bleeding, and it can also cause dependency. So these are the dangerous side effects, and also the common side effects I've told you, they also intensifies. So you have to use it very carefully. The purpose of telling these side effects are simple, that you should use it very carefully. Now you know the side effects, so now you should use it carefully. Okay, if you are prescribed this medicine, then you should use it, otherwise you should not use it. Okay, so that's why if you see here, it is written that on physician prescription only, it is for your own safety. Now the question arises that if it has so much side effects, then why we are using it still? Well, this medicine is very good and effective, and it is used to treat a lot of conditions, as I've already mentioned you the conditions that it can relieve inflammation and also treat the disorders of skin, blood, kidney, eye, thyroid gland, allergies also, and asthma. So it's a very good medicine. Okay, its side effects are nothing against its uses. So for more detail about this medicines, its drug-drug interactions and more side effects, contraindications, whether it is good for you or not, and for all of the details, you can consult your pharmacist for it, and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And if you want this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will also supply you. Okay. Now take care of yourself. And also remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers too. Allah Hafiz. Take care. And Pakistan Zindabad.